If your skincare stopped working after 40, it's not your fault. But one habit is quietly sabotaging your results. Point number 17 is where most routines fail, even expensive ones. You see, skin after 40 responds to biology, not trends. Between hormonal shifts, slower cell turnover, and barrier changes, skin in your 40s, 50s, and beyond needs a different strategy. Whether you're commuting in London pollution, dealing with Toronto winters, or Nairobi heat, today I'll break down 25 evidence-based skincare principles that explain why your routine stopped working and how to rebuild it without adding more products. Let's start. Number 1. More products do not equal better skin. Crowded shelves often mean confused skin. Overlapping ingredients can irritate, and barrier overload is really common after 40. We see this a lot in those complex, multi-step routines popular in places like New York City. Simplicity improves consistency, and your skin heals best when it's not overwhelmed. Number 2. Your skin barrier is the priority. Glow starts with protection, not actives. Our skin barrier naturally weakens with age, which means water loss increases and any irritation seems to last longer. Prioritizing barrier care improves your skin's tolerance to other products. And as a bonus, your foundation will sit much better too. Number 3. Cell turnover slows down. This means dead skin doesn't shed like it used to. The natural renewal process takes longer, so dullness increases and texture can appear uneven. This is why aggressive exfoliation often backfires. A gentle, consistent rhythm is what truly matters. Which brings us to number 4. Over-exfoliation is aging. The mantra is smooth today, sensitive tomorrow. Constantly scrubbing creates micro-tears that accumulate over time, and redness can become chronic. It's a common side effect of chasing glass skin trends, especially in sunny climates like Sydney, where skin is already under stress. Remember, less often usually delivers better results. Number 5. Cleansing too harshly strips your skin. Clean does not mean tight. Those popular foaming cleansers can remove essential lipids from your skin. In fact, a morning cleanse might even be unnecessary for many people. Stripping the barrier causes dryness, and hard water like you find in London can make it worse. Gentle cleansers are key to supporting your skin's recovery. Number 6. Hydration is not the same as moisturization. Water and oil are not the same thing. Dehydrated skin lacks water, while dry skin lacks oil. Both conditions become more common after 40, and confusing the two leads to poor results. The order you layer your products really matters here. Number 7. Hormones change your skin's behavior. Your products didn't fail, your biology shifted. Estrogen is crucial for supporting collagen, and its natural decline affects skin thickness and slows down healing. This also increases sensitivity. Your routine must adapt to these biological changes. Number 8. Inflammation is a silent ager. That little bit of redness you ignore can become texture later on. Pollution, a common issue for urban commuters, triggers inflammation, and stress only makes the skin's response worse. A gentle, calming routine is your best defense. Calm skin simply ages slower. Number 9. Actives work slower after 40. Results now require more patience. Your skin processes ingredients more slowly, and overusing potent products just leads to irritation. Consistency will always beat intensity. Instead of looking for changes weekly, start tracking your progress monthly. Number 10. Sunscreen is absolutely non-negotiable. No routine works without protection. UV radiation is the #1 accelerator of skin aging. And yes, indoor light and cloudy winter days still count. I'm looking at you, Toronto. Daily use is the only way to preserve the results you're working so hard for. Number 11. Your skin needs recovery days. Rest is a part of the routine. This means some nights, you should use no active ingredients at all. This allows your barrier to rebuild overnight, which reduces sensitivity and improves your skin's tolerance long term. All the pros rotate their routines to include rest days. Number 12. Fragrance builds sensitivity over time. What smelled nice at 30 can become a major irritant at 45. This is called sensitization, and it accumulates over years. These delayed reactions are often misdiagnosed as just a sign of aging. Switching to fragrance-free products brings stability, especially for mature skin. Number 13. Makeup can hide your skin's signals. Coverage often delays correction. While makeup can mask texture, it doesn't solve the underlying issue. Heavy makeup can even worsen dryness. Using less makeup actually helps you see your real progress, and your confidence grows as you focus on care. Your skin's feedback is valuable. Number 14. Your diet shows up faster on mature skin. Your skin reflects your internal balance. Hydration directly affects elasticity. Sugar increases inflammation, and protein supports repair. Your gut health really does show on your face. This is an observation that holds true across all cultures. Number 15. Stress changes your skin's chemistry. Cortisol literally breaks down your glow. Stress can paradoxically increase both oiliness and dryness. It slows healing and can cause breakouts to appear in new patterns. Sleep is when your barrier does its most important repair work. Calm skin is resilient skin. Number 16. Skin after 40 likes predictability. A consistent routine beats constant rotation. Frequently changing products disrupts your skin's balance because it adapts very slowly. Using the same products allows you to see what's actually working. Track your progress simply and trust the process. Okay, number 17. This is where most routines fail. The core issue is too much correction and not enough support. People get caught up chasing fixes for every little spot or line, while ignoring the foundational care their skin barrier needs. When the barrier never stabilizes, results plateau. The rule is support first, correct second. Number 18. Nighttime is repair time. Your skin works hardest while you sleep. Cell repair and regeneration peak at night. This doesn't mean you need to pile on heavy actives. In fact, a routine focused on hydration and repair is often preferred. Gentle layering wins, and so does sleep consistency. Number 19. Texture is not a flaw. Real skin has dimension. Social media filters have completely distorted our expectations of what skin should look like. Texture is not damage, and healthy skin still has visible pores. Accepting this helps improve your habits, because your confidence supports your consistency. Number 20. Aging skin needs fewer trends. Trends on social media move much faster than biology. Social media cycles through new must-haves weekly, but your skin takes months to adapt. Ignore the urgency marketing and choose stability. Your results will last much longer. Number 21. Less irritation equals more glow. Glow is simply calm skin reflecting light. Redness and irritation scatter light, making skin look dull. A smooth, healthy barrier reflects light evenly, which we see as radiance. This is often observed in minimalist routines. Remember, glow is not the same as shine. Number 22. Skin progress is non-linear. Good weeks and bad weeks are completely normal. Hormones fluctuate, the weather affects your skin, and stress impacts how it responds. Don't quit early just because you had a setback. Consistency is what wins in the long term. Number 23. Your routine should feel boring. That's right, boring routines work. They deliver predictable results, cause fewer reactions, and are much easier to stick with. They also reduce decision fatigue. Most skincare professionals favor boring, reliable routines for themselves and their clients. Number 24. Confidence improves your skin habits. Believing in your routine improves your consistency. When you trust the process, you're less likely to overtreat your skin or panic buy new products. Calm routines stick, and your skin improves quietly in the background. That confidence shows on your face. And finally, number 25. Evidence beats excitement. Your skin responds to logic, not hype. Biology doesn't follow trends. The strategy is always to support your skin before you stimulate it. Long-term thinking always wins. It's your skin on your timeline. A true glow is built, not rushed. If this explained why your skincare feels stuck, comment reset below. I'll share how to simplify your routine without losing results. Be sure to save this video for your next routine reset and subscribe for more on skin after 40. Next up, the 5 skincare habits that quietly age skin after 40, even expensive ones. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.